Hi guys, welcome to Teacher Scene. So today we'll discuss about there are a lot of vacancies for teaching positions. You can see here I have mentioned here one is like Chinmaya Vishwavidyapit. It is a deemed university located in Kerala, and another one is Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College. So they are looking for a lot of teaching faculties. Let's go to their website and we'll see the details. So you can see here this is the website of Chinmaya Vishwavidyapit, a deemed universities, and it is located in Kerala. And we have to click here in a recruitment. So once you click here, you'll see that this page will open. So then we have to click here again. School of Contemporary Knowledge System. Then you can see here the details. This is the local advertisement for the assistant professor contractual. Applications are invited for the appointment of assistant professor contractual 4 numbers, School of Contemporary Knowledge Systems. And the appointment will be the temporary, and the agreement on a contract basis shall be for a period of 1 semester till August 2021 to till the end of that semester. So they are looking for 3 assistant professor. You can see here assistant professor in commerce, 2 positions, assistant professor in business administration, 1 position, assistant professor in renewable energy. So renewable energy, 1 positions. So we'll see the what is the essential qualifications. So qualification they are asking like MCom or MBA in finance marketing operations, master in travel and tourism management, ME MTech in energy management with 55% mark or an equivalent grade in a point scale. So from any Indian university, and desirable what they are desiring without procedure the above teaching research experience. If anybody have like teaching and research experience, then it is good, and if they have like published any article in a journal, then it will be good. Optional they have mentioned the candidate should has cleared the national eligibility test, NET, SET. So that is not actually mandatory. Simply they have mentioned if candidate has this kind of qualification like NET, GATE, SET, or if they have done like MPhil, PhD, then it is good. But this is not compulsory. They have mentioned here as a optional. So how to apply? Interested candidate fulfilling the above criteria may email their resume to this email ID. You can see this is the mail ID, or contact us. This is the contact number they have given. So you can also direct contact to them. He is Mr. Manjula Ayar, Associate Professor. So you can contact to Dr. Manjula Ayar. This is a rolling advertisement and will remain active as per the school's requirement. However, applications received by and before 25th May 2021. So last date for applications is 25th May 2021. So you can share your updated resume to this mail ID, or you can contact to this number before applying this. So remuneration you can see here 35,000 remuneration they are providing per month, and date of interview 5/6/2021 at 11 a.m. and venue will be Zoom and Google Meet online. And general condition, all applicant must fulfill the essential requirement for the post and the other conditions stipulated in the advertisement and the closing date for the receipt of the application. You can see the details here, and you can here one apply button has given. So we'll see what will happen. So you can also apply through here. Also you can put your all the details here, then you have to upload your resume, then you can click a submit button, submit your resume message here. It will be good. You do one thing, you just give a call to the madam Dr. Manjula before applying, so you can she will suggest you how to apply. If you have any doubt, if you have any query, if you want any kind of other information, you can also ask her. So this is the procedure. And second one we can see here, this is the official website of Government of Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College, Gurukulam. So we'll go down, we'll see the advertisement. So here in notification it will appear. So this is the advertisement. Applications are invited for the part-time guest faculty to work at the Tribal Welfare Degree College Fine Art. So we'll click it here. So this is the advertisement. Tribal Welfare Degree College Fine Art, Sirsila. So notification of part-time teaching post, TWREIS College of Design and Sirsila. So this advertisement, it is in Telugu maybe, but you can see here BA Honors Fashion Design, BA Honors Interior Design and Photography. So last date they have mentioned 31st/5/2021. So we'll go to the next advertisement. This is the advertisement. You can see it is in English, or if you want to see the details they have given here you can understand clearly everything. So they are looking for a lot of positions. So Sirsila, Tribal Welfare Degree College of Fine Art, Sirsila. So director honorary part-time. For that they are looking for like M design or equivalent with PhD, minimum 5 years of experience, and salary they will give 60,000 per month. Then part-time faculty in the fashion design, master in fashion design, master in fashion technology, B design, bachelor in fashion technology equivalent, minimum 2 years of experience, 30,000 salary. Part-time faculty in interior design, master, bachelor in interior design or equivalent, minimum 2 years of experience, salary is 30,000. Part-time faculty in photography, master and bachelor of photography or equivalent, minimum 2 years of experience, salary is 30,000. Part-time faculty in computer science, MCA, MTech, CSC, IT or equivalent, then minimum experience 2 years, salary is 30,000. Then we'll see the procedure. The candidates are requested to visit the website for submitting the online application from 15/5/2021. The candidates are supposed to be fill web form. The candidates have to pay fee of 500 rupees towards registration fee. Receipt of application will start from 15/5/2021. So it means it will start from tomorrow. So you have to visit this website. Then you will get the application form. Okay, so these are the details. So I will also put this link in my description. You people can also download from there and try to apply before the date. So this is the details. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers in channel is fully dedicated to teachers. Those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs, so they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.